Salesforce Shorts here. So in this video, we're just going to talk about the layout quick. Okay, so I'm in the account layout, and as you can see, it shows related, details, news, and a whole lot of other stuff. Okay, so normally people like to have their own custom layout so that they feel more comfortable with their Salesforce instance. And one of the things that's really annoying for me is if I open up accounts, okay, I click on accounts, I want to see the details first. I don't want to see what it's related to, because that stuff doesn't really matter to me that much. So I wanted to show details first so that I can see all the important information, okay? But every time I open it up, the default goes to related. So the way to change that is I'm just going to click on the top right here and go into edit page. All right, so this will open up this builder, lightning app builder. And in here, we can basically see our entire layout for our Salesforce account object, okay? So as you can see here, we've got related, details, and all this other stuff, okay? So this is pretty cool. Like, there's a whole lot of stuff we can do here. Like, you can just basically drag and drop whatever you want in here, and it's pretty cool. Like, there's a lot of things you can do. So let's say, for example, right now, I want details to be the default field, right? So if I click here on related, you can see a default tab, just go to details, and we can also basically switch the order, right? So if I want details to be first, just swap that up there. And also, like, if you want to add some extra things in here, you can also do that, okay? But we're not going to be too worried about that. So as you can see, there's a whole lot of stuff you can put in there, which is pretty cool. Like, yeah, play around with it. Yeah, so we got that, and we've got all our other things. So yeah, pretty easy to remove things as well. So like, if I don't want this, I can just remove that. Just click on that button and it'll be gone. So after all of this is done, make sure you click the save button. Now activate it. And this part here is also pretty important. So you've got your options for all default, app default, or app record type, blah, blah, blah. So I'm just going to go all default, okay, because that's the way I want it. So you can assign this, and then it gives you an option for desktop, phone, or desktop and phone. So I'll just select desktop and phone. Okay, and then click next, and yep, that's pretty much all I want. Sweet, so everything's changed. Let me just save that again just to make sure. And go back. So now when I go back, every single time I go back into my account object, it's gonna have details first, okay, instead of related, which is pretty cool. So at least now every time I go in, I don't need to keep clicking on the other button. Now it's already there, and I've got it in a nice little order, okay? Thanks everyone. Make sure to subscribe and watch our next video. It's gonna be great.